Imagine reaching your 70s and gently realizing that some of the vegetables you've trusted for years may not be supporting your body the way you once believed. You've spent decades trying to eat right, following advice from doctors and nutrition experts, consistently adding greens and simple salads to your daily routine. And yet, over time, you begin to notice subtle changes. Your strength isn't quite the same. Your muscles feel a little weaker, and even something as simple as climbing the stairs starts to feel more challenging than it used to. The health and fitness industry, a billion-dollar machine built on expensive meat-based powders and complicated synthetic supplements, wants you to believe that as you cross the threshold of 60, a withered frame is simply your inescapable destiny, but they are hiding a striking truth that could entirely change the trajectory of your golden years. You see, the real enemy is not your age, but a hidden biological roadblock known as anabolic resistance, a condition that effectively blunts your body's ability to turn the protein you eat into the strong, capable muscle tissue you need to maintain your precious independence. This punishing reality erodes your physical autonomy, quietly stripping away your ability to carry groceries, play with your grandchildren, or simply stand up from a deep chair without assistance, leaving you with a profound fear of becoming a burden to your beloved family. But before we dive into the ultimate plant-based breakthrough that flips the switch on this debilitating process and builds muscle even faster than traditional eggs, tell me in the comments, how old are you? And what's one thing you wish your legs could still do like they did at 40? Your answers matter because the journey to reclaiming your youthful strength begins with understanding exactly what you have lost. And today, we are going to explore a scientifically backed countdown of specific vegetable proteins, culminating in an undisputed heavyweight that will absolutely transform your physical health. Starting off our journey at number 8, we have the incredible and often overlooked mung bean, a tiny nutritional powerhouse that boasts extraordinary digestibility and a specialized amino acid profile designed to tackle age-related muscle loss head-on. For seniors struggling with standard protein sources that leave them feeling bloated and lethargic, mung beans are a true game-changer because they are uniquely rich in leucine, the critical amino acid responsible for triggering muscle protein synthesis in the aging body. Take the story of Arthur, a 72-year-old retired landscape architect who loved nothing more than tending to his expansive garden, but recently found that his grip strength had eroded so severely that he could barely hold his favorite pruning shears, leaving him feeling defeated and isolated indoors. Once Arthur began incorporating easily digestible mung bean stews into his weekly routine, the highly bioavailable leucine went to work, acting like a cellular spark plug to rebuild his damaged tissue and restore the vitality in his hands, allowing him to bounce back and return to his garden with a renewed, youthful vigor. If mung beans lay the foundation for highly digestible muscle repair, our number 7 vegetable protein acts as a systemic shield against the invisible fires of aging. Enter the mighty kidney bean, a remarkable food that tackles inflammation and provides a steady, enduring surge of energy. As we age, oxidative stress accumulates in our joints and muscle tissues, creating a constant state of low-grade inflammation that makes every movement feel stiff, achy, and punishing, which is precisely why so many seniors abandon their active hobbies. Kidney beans are loaded with specific antioxidants and complex carbohydrates that combat this oxidative stress while delivering a slow, sustained release of glucose, ensuring your muscles have the fuel they need without the erratic spikes and crashes associated with processed foods. Consider Martha, a 68-year-old former hiker who had resigned herself to short, painful walks around her neighborhood because her knees and calves ached relentlessly, convincing her that her days of exploring nature trails were permanently behind her. By adding hearty kidney bean dishes to her diet, Martha introduced a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that cooled the oxidative fires in her joints while providing the steady energy required to rebuild her muscular endurance. And within months, she was back on the trails, experiencing the joy and relief of reclaiming her physical autonomy and leaving her fear of decline in the dust. Moving seamlessly from steady endurance to rapid recuperation, our number 6 spot belongs to the deeply pigmented black bean, a phenomenal vegetable protein that masterfully controls blood sugar while accelerating post-activity recovery. For many older adults, The dreaded crash after a morning of physical exertion can ruin the entire day. But black beans are uniquely packed with anthocyanins, the same powerful compounds found in dark berries, which dramatically enhance blood flow and nutrient delivery to tired, worn-out muscles. Think of Robert, a 74-year-old lifelong cyclist who found himself increasingly exhausted after just a few miles, his legs feeling like lead weights as his body struggled to clear metabolic waste and repair the micro-tears in his muscle fibers. When Robert started consuming black bean soups and salads, the dense concentration of anthocyanins and easily absorbed protein went straight to work, flushing out the punishing fatigue and drastically shortening his recovery time, proving that you do not need expensive commercial recovery shakes to keep doing what you love. While black beans excel at rapid recovery, our number 5 vegetable protein is the ultimate source of steady, reliable strength, perfectly suited for seniors with sensitive digestive systems, the humble yet mighty pinto bean. Many older adults shy away from eating enough protein because heavy meats and dairy cause severe gastrointestinal distress, leading to a dangerous caloric and nutritional deficit that accelerates the onset of sarcopenia, the medical term for age-related muscle wasting. Pinto beans offer a striking solution, providing a remarkably gentle, fiber-rich matrix that soothes the gut while delivering a consistent supply of muscle-building amino acids, ensuring that your body can actually absorb and utilize the nutrients you are consuming. We saw this beautifully illustrated in the life of Helen, a 69-year-old grandmother who deeply cherished playing on the floor with her energetic grandkids, but lived in constant fear of falling because her core and leg strength had withered significantly over the past 5 years. After integrating soft, well-cooked pinto beans into her daily meals, Helen experienced a profound improvement in her digestion, allowing her body to finally absorb the protein it desperately needed to rebuild her stabilizing muscles. And soon she was confidently getting up and down from the floor, her fear replaced by the pure joy of unhindered family time. If pinto beans provide gentle, steady strength, our number 4 vegetable protein acts much more like rocket fuel for your muscular stamina, bringing us to the ancient and incredibly potent lentil. Lentils are an absolute breakthrough for the aging body because they are exceptionally high in lysine, an essential amino acid that is notoriously deficient in many plant-based diets, but is absolutely critical for the formation of collagen and the maintenance of strong, resilient connective tissues. When your joints are supported by robust connective tissue, your muscles can fire more efficiently and sustain effort for much longer periods, a fact that completely transformed the life of Jack, a 76-year-old master carpenter whose hands had trembled so violently that he had to abandon his beloved woodshop. The loss of his craft was a devastating blow to Jack's sense of purpose, but when he began consuming hearty lentil dishes, the surge of lysine fortified his tendons and ligaments, providing a stable foundation that allowed his muscles to rebuild their firm, steady grip, ultimately returning him to the smell of sawdust and the deep satisfaction of creating with his own 2 hands. As we climb closer to the top of our list, we transition from the connective tissue support of lentils to a food that provides a comprehensive, all-in-one muscle-building package. At number 3, we have the vibrant and delicious edamame. Edamame is a game-changer because it is one of the rare plant foods that offers a complete amino acid profile, meaning it contains every single essential amino acid your body needs in the exact proportions required to maximize muscle protein synthesis, rivaling the protein quality of eggs without the associated cholesterol or saturated fat. This makes edamame incredibly efficient at repairing the inevitable daily damage our muscles endure, a benefit that proved life-changing for Mia, a 71-year-old pianist who suffered from severe aching and weakness in her forearms and shoulders, making it agonizing to play the complex sonatas she had memorized in her youth. By snacking on edamame, Mia flooded her system with complete, highly bioavailable proteins that rapidly repaired her overworked muscle fibers, flipping the switch on her recovery and allowing her fingers to dance across the keys once again with youthful grace and pain-free precision. Now, if edamame offers a complete protein package, our number 2 vegetable protein takes those exact same nutrients and pre-digests them for maximum absorption, bringing us to the astonishing benefits of soybean sprouts. As we age, our stomach acid naturally decreases, making it increasingly difficult to break down complex proteins and extract the vital nutrients locked inside, which is why so many seniors remain malnourished despite eating large, seemingly healthy meals. The sprouting process is a biological breakthrough that naturally breaks down the complex carbohydrates and proteins into simple, easily absorbed peptides and amino acids, drastically reducing anabolic resistance and ensuring that every single gram of protein goes directly toward repairing withered muscle tissue. George, a 78-year-old avid swimmer, experienced this firsthand when he noticed his lap times drastically slowing down and his shoulders feeling perpetually heavy, a clear sign that his body was no longer effectively absorbing the nutrients from his standard diet. This means that mature soybeans do not just provide the raw materials to build muscle. They actually repair the biological machinery required to construct that muscle, essentially turning back the clock on your cellular age and allowing your body to respond to nutrition just as it did decades ago. Consider the profound transformation of Sarah, an 80-year-old widow who had become entirely confined to the first floor of her home, her legs too weak to safely navigate the stairs, leaving her feeling trapped, depressed, and terrified of the looming prospect of a nursing home. Desperate to maintain her independence, Sarah began consuming dishes centered around whole, mature soybeans, and over the course of several months, the combination of high-quality complete protein and regenerative isoflavones sparked a dramatic physical revival, rebuilding the withered muscle fibers in her thighs and glutes with astonishing speed. The day Sarah finally walked up her stairs unassisted to sleep in her own bedroom for the first time in 3 years was not just a victory over aging. It was a testament to the undeniable power of aligning our diets with the deep, restorative science of plant-based nutrition, proving unequivocally that a decline into frailty is not an inevitable life sentence. You do not have to accept the punishing narrative that getting older means getting weaker, nor do you have to fall victim to the expensive, fear-mongering tactics of a supplement industry that profits from your physical decline. By understanding the unique, targeted benefits of these incredible vegetable proteins, from the highly digestible leucine in mung beans and the anti-inflammatory power of kidney beans, to the blood sugar control of black beans, the gentle strength of pinto beans, the stamina-boosting lysine in lentils, the complete profile of edamame, the effortless absorption of soybean sprouts, and the unrivaled, sarcopenia-crushing might of mature soybeans, you hold the absolute power. Now is your moment to gently begin rewriting your future, step by step, choice by choice, so you can rebuild your strength, restore your confidence, and return to a life that feels active, capable, and truly your own. Because growing older should never mean giving up your independence. It should mean protecting it, nurturing it, and continuing to enjoy the simple, beautiful freedoms of everyday life. If this message spoke to you in any way, consider sharing it with someone you care about, a friend, a parent, or a loved one who may also be quietly struggling with their strength or mobility. Sometimes, one small piece of helpful information can make a meaningful difference, and together we can support each other in aging with dignity, resilience, and a sense of joy. And if you'd like to keep learning simple, practical, and science-informed ways to stay strong and energized, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It's a gentle way to stay connected to ideas that can help you continue living life on your own terms, with confidence and peace of mind. Now, take that first small but powerful step forward. Listen to your body. Choose one food or habit to begin with, and start today. And if you feel comfortable, share in the comments which change you're planning to try first. Your story might inspire someone else to begin their journey too.